So Mary, here is your 7 exercise flat bench circuit. So we're starting with these hip thrusts. So your feet are flat on the floor. At the top of the movement, you can see here that you've got a right angle at the knees and your hips are level with the rest of the body. Your back is rested on the bench and you squeeze your glutes, drive your hips up towards the ceiling. Once you've done that for 45 seconds, you transition into this next exercise. So this is a dumbbell chest press. So your feet are flat on the floor. You hold the dumbbells above the chest and then turn them out slightly like so. And that means you can get your elbows level with the ribs. So you're bringing your elbows down in line with the ribs, just past the bench, and then you're pushing from your chest. So squeeze your chest as you push the weights away from you, and you're doing this for 45 seconds as well. Once you've done that, you move on to your next exercise, which is on the box. So on this box, you're working your quads, so your thighs and your glutes, and you're doing side squats. So you plant your right foot fully on the box, you squat down, so you bend your knees, you push your hips down, and then you squeeze your thighs and your glutes and propel yourself up onto the box and then step down carefully. Do 45 seconds on that side. Once you're done, move on to a one arm row. So you're doing a right side first, so you hook your left foot on the back of the bench, put your left hand at the front of the bench. You can see a straight line from the back of my head all the way down to the edge of my hips, and I'm pulling my elbow into my ribs. So I'm not pulling my elbow past my back, I'm pulling that weight up with my elbow and I'm pulling that elbow into my ribs. So don't pull with the hand, pull with the elbow. Once you've done that on the right side for 45 seconds, you're going to match up the work you did on the left side of your body. So you've got more side squats on this box. You can see my knee is directly above my toes on both feet. I bend both knees, I push my hips down, and then I propel my body up and onto the box by squeezing my thighs and my glutes. Now I'm going to match up the work I did on my left side on this row. So remember, you're pulling with your elbow, not with your hand. You can see that straight line from the back of my head to the edge of my hips. I'm squeezing my abdominals, I'm squeezing my back as I pull my elbow up and into my side. And it's as if I'm trying to put that dumbbell in my pocket. Okay, on to the last exercise. So all of these exercises, 45 seconds. So bringing it home with some reverse crunches. So you've got muscles called hip flexors in your groin, but I want you to concentrate on using your lower abdominals. So squeeze your abdominals as if someone's going to punch you in the stomach as you pull your knees towards the chest. Only straighten your legs out as far as you can without your back arching off that bench. So if you can't go legs all the way to straight like that, then just take them out as far as you can and then pull the knees back into the chest. That's 45 seconds on that one. Once you've done 45 seconds on all exercises, you then have a rest for a minute and then repeat the circuit.